This is an introduction to creating author pages on Wikisource. Author pages serve as a sort of overall index to a single author's works. You can see here Charles Dickens has all novels and other works listed, some of which don't yet exist on Wikisource, but author pages serve as a good place to get together all of the works and links to scans and other things online, including Wikipedia articles and things like that. The easiest place to start is the works with non-existent author pages category. It's quite easy to find a missing author in here somewhere. But before we do that, the best thing is to open your preferences, go to the Gadgets tab, and turn on the preload useful templates such as header, text info, and author. This will then add useful preload text when you start to create an author page. So if we go to the works with non-existent author page, and we look for a random work that doesn't have an author, so we'll just pick one at random, and we can see that there's a red link to Ida Craddock here, and so we know that she doesn't have a page yet. Interestingly, this work does have a Wikipedia article, so we do know a bit about this lady. We'll come back to that. So the first thing is to just follow the red link. That takes you to the editing page for the author page. So every author page is in the author namespace, and the title of the page should be the full name of the author, including middle names. So well-known authors will often actually appear in Wikisource under names that they are not necessarily known about widely, but we'll put redirects in from the common nom de plumes and other alternatives. So the author page template has been added here. We can see birth year and death year. There's a comment here about how these will now be imported from Wikidata, so we can delete those two parameters from the template. We can put in a description, so we'll jump over to her Wikipedia article, and we'll take some part of the lead paragraph and just put that in there. There will also be a link to Wikipedia from here. So the works list is an unordered list. If we open that work again, take the title of it, and in here we just start a list, put a link to it, put the year of publication, 1899, and that's pretty much it for a basic normal work. You can add other information here, such as original publication info, or if something was originally published in multiple volumes or serialized. Author pages can be really quite detailed about the history of the bibliography of an author. For now, we'll just save this, and we can see that we've got a basic author page. We've got this link over to Wikidata, which will prompt to search Wikidata for this author name, but because we've already got a Wikipedia article, we actually know that there's already a Wikidata item. So in the sidebar in Wikipedia, we can link to the Wikidata item, and then we simply add the Wikisource author page as a site link on Wikidata. So English, and here you put in the full namespace as well as the page title. So it may be too new, so it's not prompting for auto-completion, so we'll just grab the full title and paste it in there and save that. And there we have a link to the author page. If we jump back to Wikisource and purge this, we now have dates of birth and death, and a image, and links to various other sister projects. And that's pretty much all there is to the basics of creating an author page on Wikisource.